Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up personal automation shortcuts on iPhone. Personal automation let to iPhone perform actions automatically based on the triggers such as time, location. So first you need to open your shortcuts app and tap onto this automation on the bottom, and from here tap onto this new automation. And over here you can create your personal automation. You can choose a trigger, either your time of the day, alarm or sleep. As I'm going to select this sleep. After that you can set when your bedtime begins. You can run after the confirmation or immediately as well. And you can simply toggle on notify when to run by beside toggle it on. And you can select next in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can set up your personal automation shortcuts on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.